Hi student, in this lecture I will tell you that how you can create a zero matrix in Matlab. In Matlab it is very easy to create a zero matrix. Here are just a simple command like I am going to create a matrix H. So I will write H is equal to zeros. I will write the dimensionality of the matrix like 2 rows and 4 columns. And now you can see that a matrix has been created. I can also increase the dimensionality, like this is a three-dimensional matrix with 2 rows, 4 columns and 2 channels. Now let's see, you can see the dimensionality over here also. I'm going to clear all. I'm going to create a zero matrix. H is equal to 0 zeros, 3 4 5 6. It is a 6-dimensional matrix. You can create a matrix of any dimensional you want. Now I'm going to create a vector of zeros. Here will be one single row and there will be 6 rows and one single column. So this is a vector, a column. Now I will show you that how you can create a diagonal matrix. Suppose I have some diagonal values. D equals to 5 4 5 6 7 8 4. So these are the values that I want to be on the diagonal of a matrix. So what I will do is I will create a matrix that is diagonal. So I will write DIAG and then I will type D over here. So you can see that this is a diagonal matrix with those elements 5 6 7 8 and 4 8 the diagonal of this matrix. So if you want to expand this, you can include some more numbers, and when you write the diag command, then you will see that a diagonal matrix have been created and the dimensionality is 9 cross 9 at this moment. So now I will tell you that how you may create a ones matrix. So you will have to write ones and then you can write the dimensionality and you whatever you like. So you can change this value and you will see that dimensional 5 cross 8 dimensional matrix with ones as all element has been created by the Matlab. Thank you so much. Within the next lecture I will tell you some more basic things that are needed in order to be expert in Matlab. Thank you so much. Hello students, in this lecture I will tell you that how you can find the maximum and minimum values within array or within a vector matrix or something stuffs like that. Let's suppose I have a vector A with values 3 5 44 5 6 7. So these are different values. Now the dimensionality of this vector is finite. It is a very limited dimensional matrix. There is one row and there are about 7 columns within this vector, so we can clearly see that the number 44 is the maximum number of this vector. But sometime in signal processing or in control system or any other field, we have to deal with a very huge dimensional vector. So within that vector, if we have to find the maximum or minimum value, then what command we need to use in order to find that value? So to find the maximum value of this vector, I will store the value in m, and max of a, it has resulted as 44 is the maximum value of this vector. Let's suppose I have another I have a matrix with a very huge dimension. One, two, three, four, five, six. First row has 6 elements. The second row has 6 elements. The third row has 7 elements. Okay, there is a mistake. So I have created a matrix A, and now if I want to find the maximum value of this matrix, then if I do it like that, m is equal to max of A, then there will be an error. I cannot find the maximum value through by writing max A. If I write it like that, then it will result in a complete row or a complete column that which contain the maximum value. So in order to find the maximum value in a two-dimensional matrix, I will have to write max, and then again I will write max. So to find the maximum of the matrix A, I will have to write max for 2 times. If it is a 3-dimensional matrix, then I will have to write max for 3 times. So it depends, number of maximum control depends upon the dimensionality of the matrix. If I have to find a minimum value, then I will write minimum of A, which is 0. Similarly, if I have a vector and I have to find a minimum value, then I will have to write minimum just single time, because the dimension is not it is not a multi-dimensional, it's just a vector. So 4 is the minimum value of this vector. So this was just to find to tell you that how you can find the maximum and minimum value of a matrix. In the next lecture I will tell you some more about the very basic things that you should know in order to solve the complex problem in Matlab. Thank you so much.